Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain how to extract text from image of any language using Python. So here you can see I have extracted the text from this image for Hindi language. So you can see the accuracy of this text extraction. So for extracting this text we need to install Tesseract library. So let's get started. For installing any library we have to use pip command, pip install Tesseract. So here in my system it is already installed. So we can directly use the import command. And for reading any images, we need to install pillow library. Pip install pillow. So this one is also already installed in my system. So after installing these two, we need to install Tesseract OCR engine. I will in description I will give the link. So I'm opening that link currently. So from this link you can install Tesseract OCR. So after installing, you can directly use the Tesseract, Tesseract. So let's get started with the programming. Import Tesseract as PT. So for reading any images, we need to import image from the pillow from PIL import image. So now we will read the image into one variable. So we need to give path for this image. So I'm giving the path of the image here. So then you have to use simply image to text from the Tesseract library. So text equal to pt dot image to string. We have to give the image here. So since it is a Hindi language, we have to give language equal to Hindi. So print, I'm printing this text. So for giving the language, we have to mention what is the language. For English, we have to give ENG. So for installing, I mean for support for any language, we need to install training dataset for this language. So let me show you how to install it for Hindi language. So I'm giving the link in the description. So let me open it and show you. So here you can see language training dataset of all languages. So for English, you can see English trained data. For Hindi, you can see here HIM. HIM. Yeah. So here you can see Hindi trained dataset. You just need to open it, yeah, and download it. So the path for this download is your Tesseract. So let me show you the path. So here you can see uh, in Python Tesseract test data. So this is the path where you can see English language here, Hindi language here. So you can download any language, train dataset here. So let's run this, run our code. run the file in command terminal. Okay, you can see an exception. So we need to give the path for the Tesseract engine. So let me give the path. Yeah, so I have given the path of the Tesseract. So let's run and see. Yeah, so here we need to give tesseract.exe path. So Tesseract. So this is the path of the Tesseract exe. So let's run again. Yeah, here you can see text is printed. Yeah, this is the text we got. So that's all. Thank you for watching.